guys, I just woke up. It's 11 a.m. Right now, and I have to go to work tonight at the hospital all weekend, Friday night to Saturday night. So I'm gonna be there until Sunday, because I'm gonna be sleeping at the hospital. What my hospital does is if we have a snowstorm or any adverse weather, usually we're able to sleep at the hospital, and then they accommodate us with a room. My floor has a kind of like an inn on our floor, so I guess we're lucky about that. But I really wanted to show you guys, just vlog the entire experience, because I think it would be cool to watch also, and just so you guys can see like around the hospital and take you through my day at work as well and what nurses have to go through. So yeah, I literally just woke up. I didn't wash my face. Right now I'm just gonna get up and pack as much as I can. Yeah, I hope you guys watch this video and enjoy it. If you love my content, please subscribe and like and comment this video. Thank you. Okay guys, so it is now around 1 p.m. and I have finally packed everything. As you can see, it is completely covered in snow right now, and it's actually about to start snowing soon at 1. So I actually packed for like 5 days worth of clothes and skincare and stuff, because I might have to stay at the hospital until I'm done working, up until Wednesday. So today is Friday, so it should be fun. I'm gonna be there for a while if the snow doesn't stop. I'm pretty sure I have to stay there, but the good thing is I have to get paid extra if I have to work. So let's go to the hospital. Thanks, Mom. I'm vlogging. Finally at the hospital. So like I said, I'm gonna be here for the next several days, and I'm gonna actually sleep right now and try to get some work done. I do have a video I plan to post, so I hope to edit that before I start working. Guys, so I'm currently in the bathroom, and you guys can see it literally just started to snow right when we went on the road, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna stay like this for at least the next several days. So I'm probably gonna be stuck at the hospital. I'm wearing this new Nike sweater that I bought, and then also my new Nike. I don't know why I decided to wear my new Nike shoes. I wanted to break them in because I know I'm only gonna be wearing one pair of shoes this entire weekend. Wish me luck, guys. This guy listens to Ariana Grande all the time.
Oh no. How do you feel about Soldier Boy?
So I finished my 12-hour shift really late. It was a really hectic shift. It's about 8:15 a.m. Normally I would clock out at like 7:30 a.m. But we had a lot of difficulties with staffing and all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to my room, get some rest. I'm sorry I didn't really vlog as much as I wanted to. It was just a really crazy shift. And then I took a nap in the middle of my shift, so I'm really tired. Tonight will be night 2 at the hospital. I will be getting a room to myself this time. Last night I had a roommate. So I'll show you guys the room and what it looks like. So yeah. So we're currently in the area where all of the staff who needs to stay at the hospital gets to sleep in this little area. So I have to be really quiet. And I'm here in my room now. Okay guys, it is day 2 of me at the hospital. This
Hello.
is my bestie.
We're trapped in a hospital.
We're trapped here for the weekend. Wait, no, I am, but you're not.
Yeah. You're welcome to Walkton Box.
Let me show you guys how it looks like outside right now.
Yeah, snow apocalypse.
You wanna come? Oh no. Empty room is right here.
Oh yeah.
I gotta make sure not to show any patients.
Yeah, there's no
Anything.
It's the most wonderful time
Seriously,
of the year.
it's like white, completely
Oh
white.
my god, I'm gonna take my ferrets out in the morning.
Your ferret?
Yeah. They have never seen snow.
That's crazy.
Harbor View is gonna be crazy tonight.
I know. That is the street.
That is.
Oh my god. Hey guys, so it's around like 1 a.m. right now. And it's been a really rough shift. I won't go into detail, but I am charging tonight, so I'm charge nurse. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but I do charge on my unit. And for the past 2 nights, I've been charge nurse, and we've been getting heavy acuity patients, and we've been really short-staffed, especially tonight. So I've been taking my own patients, and tonight there was just like a sequence of events that happened that led me to having a massive headache and having to take a break, which I usually don't take breaks when I'm charging, but that's why I kind of look puffy and out of it right now. But yeah, hopefully the rest of the night goes well. I'm just here in the break room chilling, just trying to get my anxiety down. Luckily, I have really supportive staff and a supportive manager and supervisor, so I feel really blessed that I'm even on this floor with such amazing co-workers. But sometimes it's a lot on you, emotionally and physically and mentally, and tonight's just one of those nights. So I'm gonna try and make it back to my unit. I kind of have to, so I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm currently in the emergency department because my supervisor wanted me to go down and get checked out for an injury that happened tonight at work, and so that's why I'm here. I am gonna go back to my floor later, but I hope everything's okay. I'm just gonna get some scans done and then hopefully go back to work, but it's been a rough night. So a little update, you guys. It is now past 3 a.m. And I'm still here. I just went down to get a CT scan of my head because, long story short, I got kicked in the jaw. Yes, those kinds of things happen a lot in the hospital, and unfortunately, sometimes even worse things happen to nurses. And so I'm just getting checked out, and hopefully nothing's doesn't come out too bad, but I feel like I can still work. So I'm probably gonna go back to my unit as soon as I see the doctor after the results come back. But with these things, you never know what can happen. After 24 hours, you can start to see bruising, bleeding somewhere. So I just wanna make sure 100% that I'm okay. So it's about 3:30 a.m. A nurse just gave me some Tylenol, extra Tylenol, for the pain that I'm having. I do have some pressure aches like in my jaw, right over here, and it goes all the way to here. I really hope everything is okay. It's just weird because I'm in the middle of my shift right now and I'm still in the ED and I have to head back to work before 7 a.m. How do I get out of here? This door won't open for me. Now I have to go back. Heading back up to my floor. I got a prescription for some pain meds. Looks like I have some chronic arthritis in my jaw, which I already suspected because I already have jaw problems and some pain in that area, so. Hey guys, so it is now night 3, I think, sleeping at the hospital. Clearly I haven't washed my hair. I mean, that's okay with me because I rarely wash my hair. I'm still in a lot of pain, and tonight I don't have a roommate. As you can see, the last 2 nights I've had a roommate, so I haven't been able to really say much or vlog or edit my video that I wanted to edit. If you guys saw my stories on Instagram, I was trying to edit last week's video, which was supposed to be the Walmart styling video that I said that I would do a few weeks ago. Oh my gosh, so my jaw is really hurting, you guys. I got kicked right here in my jaw. Basically, I'm hurting right over here and over here. And the doctor said that I should get checked by my dentist, who may tell me that I have like a jaw disorder, because I do have arthritis and pain in that area, in that joint area. So I'm probably gonna do that the next time I go to the dentist, which is this week, Friday. So actually, the weather in Seattle is pretty good right now. It's really, really bright. There's still some clouds. It's actually supposed to snow later today as well. So I'm gonna wake up and it's probably gonna be covered in snow. So I'm just going to head to bed. It's around 9 a.m. now. I've been replying to DMs and you guys have just been asking if I'm okay. I'm just in some pain. Can't take any Advil, which I usually take. It even hurts just to like talk and move my jaw. Anyways, I'm gonna head to bed. I really hope that it doesn't snow too much today. If it does, then I can't be picked up later to go back home. These things happen a lot with nurses and patients, especially on floors like mine. It's very unfortunate, but it does happen. And in order to protect ourselves, we do have to press charges against people who do this to us. I'm just really lucky that I didn't get a fracture in my jaw. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna rest my jaw because it is starting to hurt a little bit more. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Okay, good news, guys. My family picked me up, so I'm heading home now before the snow starts again, but it's pretty bad still. There's snow everywhere. And it's only 3, but it's supposed to snow at 4 o'clock, so hopefully the drive isn't too bad.